Open source drug discovery is not a research project. It's a movement. It's done with passion. It is full of love. And it is voluntary. This model will not work in Western world because the model has to match with the ethos of the society. That's why this model works so well in that part of the country where people have socialistic feeling a little higher. It will work with those students, those who are hungry to learn, not those who have been given plenty. That's why it will work well in colleges and institutions which are less endowed but intellectually competent. So open source drug discovery is a mission to make people, marginalized people of the world, to have a hope to make drugs affordable. To do this exercise, we have two objectives. One is to change the entire education system by transforming education through the web in a new way of thinking, new way of learning, a collective learning than classroom teaching, and problem-solving learning than your practical notebook, all of us repeat the experiment the seniors have done and recorded copy. Then it looks very new. So before the exam, you just look a little dirty, one or two coffee stain, right? If you are a good chemist, you will put your notebook into a little iodine chamber. It will look perfectly old, 2 years old. Although everything you have done copied 3 days before the exam, when your viva will take place and you get full marks. Am I right? Such a boring, uninteresting, unexciting way of doing science. So I was pained to think that this is a way. So I convinced Planning Commission that this is not making drug discovery. This is changing Indian scientists, students, to become prepared for drug discovery of tomorrow. So, our esteemed colleague from Astra, I want to tell it that this is not question of delivering drug. It is question of changing attitude. And once we do this, then everybody will do it at the lowest cost. So what is the idea? College today can make a satellite, right? Students, small satellite, nano satellite, which rocket has gone up. Why can't we make a drug easy? There was one day one Sputnik going up, big news. Today nobody talks about the news. Right? So many rockets go up, so many rocket breaks down, so many things happen. Who cares? Except India and some newspaper are too bothered. Nobody is bothered. Whole world. So many rockets are going up, so many satellites are going up. Same way, why can't we drug discovery? And more drugs will be discovered, so the drugs will be very low cost. There will be no business too much, millions of dollars. And ideal drug will be one tablet you take, right? One dose, you are cured. Fantastic, no? Dream. Why it is not happening? And that's the chemistry of the human body. Why it is not happening? Because that is the chemistry of the human body.